There's a French culinary term called mise en place. It speaks to preparation, ensuring that you have all of the ingredients required for a particular meal. It's the same principle that's applied when it comes to curating your environment. So you want to ensure that things are within reach, easy to access, and reducing any form of distraction that can come while trying to look for something. It's part of curating your environment to gather all the things you need within one space and place them in a way that they are easy to access, thereby reducing time that you would have lost trying to look for those items. Make it comfortable yet functional. Consider factors like lighting, temperature, seating. So like you can invest in an ergonomic chair. You can add a second screen if that would make it easier for you. Invest in even aesthetics of stuff. Getting a nice printer or keyboard or mouse, just something that will make you excited to want to be in that space. Just invest in being comfortable yet ensuring the space is functional. Turning your to-do list, tagging at Maxing Chronoscope, and using the hashtag 30 days to do this challenge. It's been 15 days of the 30-day to do this challenge. How has it been for you? Let me know. See you on Monday.